Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Jacob D Fishing. Today we're at the duck pond. It is absolutely peeing down with rain today, folks. Not exactly ideal weather for fishing, but hey, we're out here giving it a crack anyway. Going for eels, so we've got a bit of bait here. As you can see, got our two rods, and got this rod here, which is the full rod. This rod here, which is the half rod. We have the camera on a chest mount so I can hands-free everything. We're going for eels today. We've got a little umbrella back here. We'll catch you guys whenever we hook up. Right guys, we have got an eel. Yep, that's a fish. Yeah, that there is a big one. This is the one we're after. This is the big chungus. You need a gas for this sucker. I got a gas for the bottom. Here we go. That's a big basket right there. Wow. We got him. We got him. We got him. We got him. That's big. That's big. Right. Oh, the gaff come out. Which way is the gaff facing on? Right, guys, we got him. We got the big one. That there is a big leg. Oh, he's got some strength to him, no way. You ain't going nowhere, buddy. Ain't going nowhere. Right, we'll go ahead. Alright. We got in there. How far down the gob are we talking? That's ages down the gob. So I just cut it. Right. Here he is for you. It's a pretty big fish. Eel. It is an eel. Not my biggest. Lost bigger ones. We will put him on the measure mat. Oh, yep. Second rod going off. Yeah, it's mayhem. No, I lost that second one. It is mayhem. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and let this guy go now, and I'll catch you guys after we put some more bait on. We're getting a bite. We're getting a bite. Okay, we're about to set it back. Yep, got him. That's big. Oh no, it's little. This one's little. That's okay. Oh, actually, he's giving quite a fight there. Well, in search of the magic meatery, yet to be found. This guy's just a little scumbag. Oh, that second rod's gone off. Right, that second rod was going off there. Go ahead and put that back out. Go ahead and pick this guy up. Like I said just before, in search of the magic meatery. But yet to find it. This one, quite a little one, if I do say so. Go ahead. What we do is get the pliers. These guys do have a really bad slime on them. I prefer not to stuff around with them. Hook comes straight out. Like I said before, in search of the magic meatery, yet to find. Whoop! There he goes. Right, like I said before, they have a real, not that great slime on them. You can just rub your hands in the dirt to get it out really quick. Catch you when we catch the next fish. Right guys, this rod's peeling off. Yeah, we got that. Oh yeah. That's big, that's big. This one's sliding quite a fair bit. Ooh. Magic meatery? I don't know. That's what we're after today. That last one, like that other one. That other one was 93 centimeters. So this is quite a big fish. Oh yeah. That's a magic meatery, boys. That is a magic meatery. No! That was the magic meatery. He swallowed that line a little bit too far. So we lost him. Catch you guys when we catch the next hookup. Right guys, we have a line going off here. We go ahead. Right, yeah, we got it. I don't reckon it's a meatery. Just loosen that. Because one, this is only 6-pound line. We're using half a rod. Yeah, he's going surface down. Almost like he's a tilapia. No. Oh no, yeah, he's just running at us. Okay, it's not the meatery. That's still a fish. Alright. Go ahead. Oh. This guy's going to be a little bit hard to dispatch. And he's going to crap all over me. Alright. Go ahead. And grab. Whoop. Right, there it goes. Whoop, there it goes. It's not the meatery. Still in search of the meter mark. Catch you guys when we hook up. Right, situation here. We have an eel bite on this rod. Drags pretty tight. There we go. We set hooks in him. Yeah, he's not the meatery. But look, he is a fish. A fish, and he is something. Alright. Take a look. Leopard eel. Same species as the ones I've been going for the past who knows how long. There you go. Hands all slimy now. I'll go ahead, get this guy unhooked. We'll catch you when we get another bite. Alrighty guys, we got an eel. We got him. Oh no. We got a stick. Cast back out. Alright guys, this is going to wrap our fishing video. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. We are still chasing the 1 meter eel. See you guys later.